Good morning, grade 5. Today's lesson is how to make a GIF or graphics interchange format. Remember last time you did how to insert GIF. Today you're going to learn how to make a GIF. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is to open Microsoft PowerPoint, right? And draw something there. Okay, let's draw an eyeball, but you can draw your own. Color it black. I'm sorry, white. But the line is black. Okay? And draw a pupil there. Color the pupil black. And the line black. Click the slide, copy paste. Rotate the eyeball and click the slide, the recent slide, which is slide 2. Copy paste, rotate the eyeball. Click the slide again, the recent slide, copy paste. Make about 6 slides and rotate or move the eyeball. Copy paste again. Rotate the eyeball and maybe the last one. Copy paste, rotate the eyeball. No, not the eyeball, the pupil rather. Okay. Then click File, Save As. Type eyeball there. And you need to click this one. Save as type as GIF. Graphics interchange format. Save as type as GIF. You have to click that button. Don't forget. Then click Save. And then click every slide. Okay. All right. Now let's go to the internet. Right. Now you can see this and type online GIF maker. I want you to click the first one, but you can click any of these websites actually. All of these websites make GIF for free. Choose files. Go to that file where you save the eyeball. It's already highlighted there. Highlight everything and click open. How do you highlight? You click and then you can use the mouse, you know. See, click and drag and click open. Upload and make a GIF. Okay, let's wait until all the slides will be there. And then click make a GIF. All right, that's the GIF. You can click this save, so it will be saved in your folder in your computer. Okay. Let's see that one. Say I will open the. There's the GIF. Okay. Graphics interchange format. Children, how to make? Follow the steps. Watch the video. And I don't think this is a difficult lesson. All right. You can make your own. I drew an eyeball, so it will be easy, but you can draw your own GIF. GIF is very useful in many ways. You can insert it in PowerPoint, in many website or internet pages. GIF or graphic interchange format is the most common format that they use in simple, very quick and easy animation. And so now that you already know how to make, you can insert it in your web page, in Facebook, Instagram, and many other websites. Okay? Please do your work. Thank you and goodbye. See you next meeting.